Origins show. Colin just hooked us up with tickets to the underground. So the underground that we were questionably probably not gonna go do, we are now gonna go do. Let's check out some of these rides. Thoughts on an LSFD? Let me hear about it. I'm guessing this thing scoots pretty good, huh?
No, it's very slow. Speed limit only.
Okay.
No, true.
Unless in Mexico. So excited. I got to talk to the gentleman that owns the LS Swap FD. Bought the car as a shell and ended up throwing the LS in it. Had a wrecked Camaro Super Sport. He's rolling right at 485 horsepower. So it wasn't like he ripped the heart out or anything. It didn't have a heart or anything when he got the car. So did it right, you know. Nice dude, cool car. So we're going whoop, whoop, down to the underground. Deep off in underground. He's trying to meet me on the cardboard. There's a V8 FB. Got a little different type of brap to it.
Just kidding, just
Dude, I'm
kidding.
leaving that in, dude.
Yep. What that is? That's an alternator.
That's a sushi slicer. I got this new mod. Valkyrie's snoozing.
She's like, what?
Night night.
Night night. Somebody thought it was nitrous.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Because you guys were taking photos, and I was like, oh, just because.
You want to sit in it? Check it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on with it, man.
He's a nice guy. He is. He's super nice.
There you go.
Oh. The puppy adds at least. Oh my point. No, this is so low.
Dude, it's tight.
So
It's tight. It's like,
is that as far back as it goes? This is awesome.
yeah, that's close to how. Yeah, because I'm
my
about-
RX-7 dreams are crushed.
I took Zach's GoPro. I'm trying to point at him because he's absolutely terrible at taking footage. But it's okay, you got the whole cam today. Let's go. But I'm actually 10 times better than Zach. It's okay. But yeah, if you want to follow us, go for it. Zach's a cool guy. He also just sucks at taking videos, like I said. But it's okay. We're at TougeCon. It's a big deal. We're pretty happy to be here. It's been a really great trip with Valkyrie as well. And she's knocked out. And yeah, obviously Zach's beautiful RX-7. And, you know, our little Scion boxer guy. But yeah. Alright, babe. Say something.
Hi.
What do you have to say about TougeCon so far?
Fun.
Fun? That's it?
Yeah.
It's like, I don't have to look over my phone.
It's our first year
Yeah.
coming here.
Feels good.
This feels good. Alright, so I'm walking around because Zach is over there talking about his amazing RX-7. and I had to obviously one-up him and basically show you guys how big of a turnout really this is. TougeCon is really cool so far. Like, look at this Celica. And the Beamer's really dope too. And you got, you know, the Mitsubishi. But there is absolutely... Oh my god, that's the dually that guy was talking about. We gotta go over there. So, obviously, you guys, I know you guys don't know me well, but I am a absolutely big truck advocate. And I absolutely love dualies. Like, this thing is beautiful. Like, sure, it's like all looking rough and everything, but that's what makes it like stand out. That's a fucking dually. Big boy, look at this spare tire. But that is like badass. I absolutely love trucks like this. I like how it's like the old retro look too. Like, you know, like they haven't restored any of that paint. Dude, he's got the Hispanic like blanket in the back. Heck yeah. That's beautiful. By far my most favorite. The gentleman was talking about it. I didn't really get to see anything yet because there's more and more cars just like coming in. But there's a lot going on here, guys. It's amazing. I love trucks. But I love every vehicle, you know. I like the all white. It's really badass. Heck yeah. Let's see. There's a bunch of cool stuff over here. There's a GTR over here as well. You know, everybody sees a GTR. It's normalized. What? It's like a matte black. It's really dope. The little kid is excited to see it too. Oh, it's camouflage. It's camouflage. In dark, it just looks black, like a matte black. Look at that. It's beautiful. Alright, I'm walking back to the boys. I was kind of by myself and I kind of, like I said, I hijacked Zach's stuff. Look at Zach.
Two-step and like here, like where that Miata is right there, and it's like he's just sitting there chilling.
You have some explaining to do to your people.
Oh,
You're terrible at, like, you know, recording everything.
It is true. It is true. That's why I do so much B-roll and I have some music behind it. I get caught up and I know it's a little selfish and I'm sorry about that.
But that's okay, you guys get hope today. I'm just like 10 times better. Our hoods are kind of similar. But I think it's funny because Zach just copied us, you know, it's fine. We have carbon fiber. He has carbon fiber. He must have carbon fiber. We have carbon fiber. What I should say is we don't have a road like a rotor. He can afford. We broke.
But like Zach fans, like I used to do that in like
and he's absolutely enjoying it. They were sitting in it earlier, which I didn't catch that in time.
I mean, like that was just the style. You can take photos. You
can tell Zach loves kids. Hence why we're adopted. We're adopted from this family. We're actually not adopted. They just brought us in because we're into cars. I see where we stand. It's fine. Mia in the wild.
Has he been around?
He going so fast. Is he good? Mia. She must have been dreaming about rotaries. She must have been dreaming about rotaries and brap. Brap.
Just because it's
You videoed this already?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Well, I said, you don't know me already.
That's probably, I would say, the best patina I've ever seen on a square body. I know Hope may have already went over this truck with
I
you.
took a video first. Hey, I'm a little bit better than that. Just saying.
Oh yeah,
I can't argue.
Look at this patina. There's no way this is picking up exactly how it looks outside of video, but it is incredible.
Well, you really can't fit a Marcus bus.
No.
This thing's like a mile long.
Yeah.
Look at that.
454?
Yep.
With a 4L80. Probably the best combo
Yeah.
of this year.
It was. I think it was the first year of the 4L80 going in the truck.
4L80.
Yep. And she'll cruise down the highway, just sitting there doing 70.
Is it a long bed?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's a crew cab long bed.
oh god, you really got the longest one.
Yeah.
Everybody is running to Zach's RX-7 wanting every single video footage. Look at this. Nice little cruise drive back from TougeCon. We're going back to the hotel. Honestly, day one's been really good.
Yeah.
Day one was a pretty big turnout for that show that we went to, and going underground as well. Honestly, I know I can't help but keep saying it, but Zach's RX-7 is absolutely immaculate. Shooting flames is probably my go-to babe, right? What do you say about Zach's RX-7?
Super kick-ass.
Yeah. Sneaking up on the wild Zachary. I'm coming in hot. You ready? You ready for this? I don't know where he's at. Oh my god, look, there he is. Oh my god. Ooh.
But we could go to 10 if we really wanted.
I caught the wild Zachary.
It's me, guys. It's just me. Dude, I seen it was it looked like rain. That's
There you go.
Like 9 a.m. tomorrow, like 30% chance. And it's
All right,
thunder,
guys.
it's
You're on a video. You're on perfection.
Oh yeah,
TV.
and here, maybe we need more light. You think?
I can give you some.
We're good.
Yeah, that'd be cool. I might be able to.
Here, I can do it on my phone too.
Yeah, maybe if I.
Dude, these are these the ones that goes in the bottom?
Yeah, these are the ones that go in first,
Okay.
and then.
You have the other ones. I got it.
Yeah, I didn't mean to have all the other ones, but I do.
I was about to say, I'm like, I know there's more.
Yeah.
Look at this group project.
We can
Two
actually.
bros just putting in a rain guard. Don't worry about this.
Yeah, there you go.
I think they just need to see the hole and
Is it
then.
supposed to
yeah.
click or no?
No, they just
Okay,
kind of
I'm
just
like, I
bottom.
was listening for it to click. I'm like,
Yeah,
is
they-
it supposed to click?
They just bottom out. Oh yeah, and once it gets so much weight on it, yeah. You got it.
I got you.
Look at John.
This is light.
That's
It's
like
carbon
a,
fiber. How can it hurt you?
Here's.
Well, when it hits
you
you.
have
like
more.
a-
That's the second piece.
Yeah, I don't have one from down here. I got that one. I need
John
one
looks
for
like
my
he was
backpack.
doing like a balancing act of carbon fiber.
Yeah, I got you, bro.
I was about to say, it's carbon fiber. It's not heavy.
It's just when it hits your head, it does kind of hurt.
It's like the Flintstones.
Yeah. She had no, I think it got her from like a foot or a little less, and it just like glasses to the side.
There you go. Is that it? Nope, there's more.
Yep.
But wait,
And I got 2
there's
more in my hands. Thank you so much.
I got
I'm so happy that we didn't drop any of these in the engine bay,
Yeah.
because that's
You
all I
almost
have.
lost one though.
Yeah, I
And luckily,
know.
Yeah,
the fuse
luckily it got
box,
right
like,
there.
Caught it
Yeah.
right in between.
Yeah, so we
Is there any
lost
more?
about 2 or 4
Is he
in the
missing
garage.
another?
I
Oh,
don't.
there it is, right there.
And yeah, that one got to be pushed in pretty far up. There you go. All right.
Got it?
And then here's the insert. I got it. I got it.
Bang!
One more right
Teamwork.
here.
Look at that work.
Hopefully, I videoed that perfectly. I wasn't even paying
You better
attention.
have. Unless it's on. I'm sorry. No, I mean, yeah, thank you, ma'am. Okay, we're good.
We good?
Thank you so much.
I
Yeah.
like these.
Oh,
We
you
need to
just
get these for
blinded
the
me.
Z.
Oh!
They're so nice.
Oh
my
God. He's got flash
I do
me.
not
Oh my
trust
God.
myself. And then here is a beautiful baby.
I guess this is good night. We're back at the hotel. Tonight's show is a success as always. All we did was just show a car. Not like we were drag racing or anything, but it's a good time. Appreciate Hope for all the footage on the road. They took the camera and the FRS, and hopefully she got some good flames. I don't know yet. I haven't seen it, but we're checking out with you. So y'all have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow. We're in the show on the main stage, so we'll see how it goes. Have a good night, and good night from Valkyrie.
Yeah, this is our third.
Because they said in the
That's a little tiny Suzuki Cappuccino. Look at the parking space, how much room's left. That is a little guy. This is Encore Fuelinjecteddreams. We're doing a walkthrough before we go up to our room. Here's the wide body R32. Whiplash R32. Shout out, good dude. Got to talk to him earlier today. Look at the depth of that wide body. Can you see the depth of that? My goodness. DJ Hell Dogs FRS 3000 GT. You will always hear about the GTRs and the Supras and the RX-7s as JDM legends. I believe this will be next in line. That's definitely qualifying for a legend car. It's beautiful. That's pretty much it for tonight. A lot of people are still out cruising. Some people doing mountain pass runs out in the Ozark Mountains. Okay, Encore is over. Y'all have a good night. We'll see ya. Yeah, right. Yeah.
There's a delay.
Cochino!
So
Cochino! Stinky feet.
the rest of
No.
I'm gonna give you the 8.6.
I thought you were talking about the A.
No, I was talking about your stinky feet.
No, you said I like.
I said cochino.
I should have brought chem block socks.
You should have.
Yeah.
I got the
All three of you
chem
in
block
this.
socks.
Hi.